And I am a cock and I see I think my 500 city. Man, I send a share man called the Barsam. Before I don't know my duties are Kakraba and the Scammer. Embrana order about the moon so a scammer. Embrana SM order oh, bitches, so the money was a scammer. Kakraba and I bet you am Yami bet you amuka, eno muka na
Hold on. SM people, we are here. We are here to wish that he will come out. He will come out
today.
We are here. We are here. We are wishing that. We are wishing a good message to come out so that you see, say the man is coming out before we have to leave here. Because the guy, we know what he do for us. You understand me? Through Shatta Wale, me, I get fair. It not be only me. The youth is not everybody as of now. You understand me? If it's like, if it not be true Shatta Wale, we not go vote them. I swear. So we are here to tell them, say, no Wale, no vote, no Wale, no vote.
So Ebusia the Busu economic and organized crime office. I actually see a friend say Yoko. When him say we no can say no Shatta Wale. The detaining was since Andrew Nimbra. We inviting our bar no panim one no. The person no can say no. But that's why I'm my engine no. Now shall we say nipa abegua no bobo dump him one when you say Telopano and a Ghana for bebre. Our PM one no ma. Omu demand say Yoko. Ever release a year Shatta Wale. The dance walking. Now Andrew no Osha reporter TV stations radio stations the buy na. Na omu can send bebre but according to your resource no any information you are picking it say mugu okra na. And some radio stations need to say it's the car and no correct. I don't know. So what share na anom economic and organized crime office Accra, the capital city of Ghana, and what share ADF free. Enti way area cause Shatta Wale, Charles ni Ama Mensa, and the state name Shatta Wale, and Yoko are detained over investigation on ongoing criminal proceed. The access some of them say Lamborghini no. And one some yarn ebusia eguso ekoso amanipa ababodom plant na one senipa begu alma enye demonstration dem no Shatta Wale and e detain na e wa amanipa abegu anum sei abusia nya asem ketua you know ebuso e wo here economic and organized crime office e try to afre say Yoko ni nya na Shatta Wale dancer artist wa Ghana e dia kata e de Charles ni Ama Mensa and draw ni nya ne say Yoko e detain no na and also report and activity radio station be a day bar and then on the manager from first am I say in some people on my media to report here and no credit now you show my data matching na no and nobody telling na no because of ni Lamborghini yellow one no and one sense man say so go to say now e man on my nya intiase say I want the bill and the bill condition no 10 million Ghana cedis with 3 sureties what they call old currency now 100 billion and answer what they call dollars $1 million and you know the first now be PM wa ebusia ya osha na enya asam ketua osha edom no e wa haye fan se ogus na osha ye dia ye go so e wo Yoko economic and organized crime office with us
So you, one man in call. You want peace. Well, yellow is a bad law. I'm for police for the abroad. Or yellow. And to Munjan, anytime.